Hey guys, welcome back to the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. We got something a little bit different for you today. Usually we're going out. Today we dropped this truck. What we've got here is a 2015 Yukon Denali, and we took it down 2 inches in the rear. This customer called us up and said that he wanted to get rid of the factory rake on this GMC Denali right here, and he didn't want to lift the nose like the way you'd normally do it, so we wanted to see if we could drop the rear end down, give it a little bit more of a sleek look rather than bringing it up. So we did some research and we actually found that there's a kit out there. It's called Max Track, and what it does is it just drops the rear down the 2 inches, which is the difference between the front and the rear when they do the factory rake on these vehicles. But the good news about this is it does retain the factory auto ride capability. So a lot of times when people are telling us, hey, I want to lift or lower my GMC Denali, we always have to warn them that, hey, this is going to affect the ride and the ride that you did pay all that good money for. So the fact that this retains the factory auto ride is pretty awesome, as a lot of your GMC brethren will tell you. So if you like what you see, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd also appreciate any comments in the comment section below. We do notice that YouTube treats us a little bit better in ranking as far as if there's more comments in the comment section below. And keep an eye on our channel, as we are going to be doing more lowered vehicles throughout the next couple of weeks as sport trucks seem to be making a comeback. Thanks, hope you're having a great day.